James and Mommy and all the teddy bears are all on a teddy bear picnic. Teddy bears picnic. That's what we're doing. We're having fun on our picnic, aren't we, James? James, are we having fun? Oh, you look so cute. You're such a big boy, James. Look at all your teddy bears. And we have a special guest, Widow Lamb. That was Mommy's little toy and Lovey whenever I was younger. And this was Daddy's little toy, Ty-Ty, when he was younger. And James has some very special bears attending our picnic, along with our special guest. Are you having fun? Can we get a smile? Can we get a smile, James? No, it's not happening. Hey, big boy. Say hello. Are you being camera shy again? There you go. Hello. Hi. Okay, we're going to say bye-bye now, James. Tell everybody bye. Tell everybody bye. Say bye-bye.